Yes sir, good afternoon. Mr. Being with me going to Walmart again from the house. Alright, let's go guys. Follow guys, everybody follow to Mr. B. This is it. Look at guys. And this is the gate guys. Going the right side, going to the yeah, that's true. Because you know why guys, I'm taking this picture because this month I'm going back to Saipan. That's why maybe this month. Yeah. That's why now this is straight to going to Walmart guys. This is the house. Look at the house guys. That's the one. This is my special memory for Mr. B with me. My beautiful driver guys. And one smile for me, Mr. B. Yes sir. I love you Mr. B. Yes no way. Yan. Kaya kami ni Mr. B guys. Yeah, that's true. Kaya alam nyo guys, pagdating ko dito sa Sacramento, California, ang meet ko agad si Mr. B. Siyang magaling ako kusinero namin dito guys sa kitchen. Saka napakabait na tao. Wala kang masasabi guys. Wala kang masasabi. Ang tigpuso niya hindi mo maparisan sa ibang tao na kilala ko din sa Reno, Nevada guys. Napaka the best. Wala kang masasabi. Lahat sa kaming kalandian dito sa Sacramento. Iwan ko guys, naglabas din ang pagkababae ko rin dito. Sa ang sa Reno, Nevada, talaga malas tayo yun guys. I don't find the girlfriend there, but in Sacramento I find my Mr. B. Yan. Ito guys ang palabas pa namin sa papunta na sa Walmart. Magpapadala tayo ngayon guys. Yan yung mga kabayo guys oh. Yung mga mahal yan guys. Lalaki oh. Kita nyo yan ha. Wow.
Country area.
This is the country.
It's the country area.
Country area guys. Bari mga ransuan ito ng mga kabayo o kabakahan. Yan. Gusto ko guys na I'm taking the all video because this is my big memory for me again. After the 1 month I'm staying in Sacramento, California. Milta Road to darling no?
Sa Walmart mismo kapag papadala tayo.
Oo, Walmart tayo. Yun na nga. Nakadalawang bis na ako guys nakapadala sa sa Pilipinas. Siguro over na sa hindi ko lang masasabi. Pero wala tayong magagawa eh. Yun ang trabaho natin siguro sa mundo. Padala ng padala sa bulsa. Kaya nga sabi ng akin na boss kanang umaga, that's better you have own your money too. But if you want to come back my place, you will come.
You're always welcome.
Yeah, I always welcome this place guys. It's a beautiful place of the yeah. By the way guys, ang itong pamilya na dito like one of family sila guys, Ilocano. Napakagandang mga ugali guys. Yeah. Yung mga guys mga mansion sitas yan. Itong amo ko guys, marami siyang business dito sa Sacramento. Yan. Ito nyo guys, sa araw natin kinunto na video, at least pag nandyan ako sa Pilipinas, sa Saipan, natuloy naman ang mga luwa natin dito. Lalo itong driver ko ayoko na may mga memory ako dito sa kanya, kaya lagi ako kinukunto ng video. 3 bis pa lang sa may video sa akin guys, kasi di naman ako nagtagal dito. Lahat na lakad ko siya, lahat ang tumutulong sa akin dito guys. yan, eskwelahan niya guys. High school yan, darling, no?
Yeah.
Yan sa high school.
Middle grades.
Ayun, no? Yan. Mag-stop tayo dito guys.
It's a country area.
Sa country area. Outside Sacramento, no? Darling, no?
It's a shame though. Hindi tayo nakag-fishing.
Oo. Yun ang gusto bisa na din may the plan to fishing. But I don't have time already because it's very busy. See? Yeah, she love to fishing. You see that one she have a fishing rod. Yeah.
Fairfield used to fishing every day.
Yeah. Mag-try tayo dito, darling, no? Try kasi pinag-aralan ko sana kasi sabi ni Mami.
Well, this is
Wilton Road na ito. Yeah, Wilton Road. Yun. Okay. Hanggang Wilton Road na tayo guys. Because pagdating natin doon sa sa Windmark, doon naman tayo mag-picture kasi mag-video dahil I want to send sa man ito da
Hindi ako nakasayang ngayon.
Philippines.
That's the ngayon.
Oo. Pang emergency no guys ang lakad namin guys kasi supposed to be the another lady to drop I want to following that lady to go into the Windmark but my darling is coming. Now I'm very happy because together with me again to going to Windmark to send the man to the Philippines. Supposed to be it's not to bring the money to the Philippines because everything undone already but I don't have choice. I don't know. Oh, Jesus Christ. I miss this place guys. I very miss this place. Yun nga, boring din ang lugar nito kasi nasa kabigasnan kami guys ng Sacramento pero masaya naman pag kasama ko to si Mr. B. Amin mga lakad.
With me, you won't be boring.
Yeah, that's true.
Always there to make
Ayun
you
o. Lucia po, magkano kaya yan? Mga mura lang yan eh. Mga ganyan, views na yan. Yan ang pang-fishing namin sa oo, sa Saipan. Yung sana sabi ko, no.
And that one is good for the still water.
Oo.
But it takes too many strong current like where you're fishing. You might sink down there.
Yeah. See? Ang ganda ng kalsada namin dito guys, hindi traffic. I-full video natin to guys kasi mahaba itong ano natin eh, yung punta natin para at least if I come back again this place I know already.
We continue.
Yung continuous, yeah.
Dito ako nakabangga ng ano noon, ng deer.
Dito?
O yung sasakyan ko puti noon.
Wow. Guys,
Sira yung ano ko,
yeah.
bumper ko.
According for him,
Pero I fixed it.
how many years before that one, darling? Ilang taon na yun?
Alin?
Ang nakabangga ka rin ng deer?
About 3 years ago.
Oh, yeah. You heard that? According,
3 o'clock in the morning.
yeah.
It was foggy, you know.
3 years in the,
I was doing 50 miles and then all of a sudden just appeared right in front of me. And I don't have time to stop. And I hit it.
wow.
Then when I stop, look around, I don't see the deer. So I keep going. If I see it really, I gotta pick it up.
Oh, yeah. See that? He said the accident there, this place, in 3 years ago already. he said that he drives this white car, and he said, I think early morning or oh wow, he said in the 3 o'clock in the morning he hit the there in this road. Yeah. Yeah, see that? Oh wow. Okay.
Just stop over there fixing those make no much noise. My finger is touching on the wheel.
Yeah. Alright guys, hanggang dito muna tayo guys. After this one, going to straight to the Walmart. I continue this video guys, right? So, yeah, continue. Right, Mr. B, smile. Mar, this is my friend, my darling Mar.